Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to install any package on Linux machine. So the task is as per new application requirement shared by the Nautilus project development team. Several new packages need to be installed on all app servers in Stratos data center. Most of them are completed except for Git. Therefore, install the Git package on all app servers. Okay. Let's open the users. So on all these three app servers, we need to install Git repository. Sorry, Git package. So first one, SSH. Maybe let's open this way. Copy the password. Paste. We have logged into the first app server. The first thing we have to do is update the existing packages. Sudo is super user. So we are saying you need to run as a root user. Sudo apt update. Apt not found. So that means we need to check the OS version. It is CentOS. Let's try yum update. Okay, it's updated. Depending upon the OS, the command changes. Either it will be apt or yum or dnf. Press Y. Now let's see where it is added. apt used for Debian or Ubuntu. Yum is used for older RHEL or CentOS. DNF is used for Fedora or RHEL 8 plus or Amazon Linux 2023 plus. Okay, accordingly we need to do. So first we tried with apt, then we tried with it didn't work, then we tried with yum. It is still downloading. It's done. Yum update is done. Now sudo yum. We have to install a package. So install. We have to install git. So we are giving git. Press Y. It's done. How can we check whether it's done or not? Git hyphen hyphen version. It's done. Now let's exit. Now SSH. We have to repeat the same on second and third app servers. Yes. Enter. Okay, we have installed, we have logged into the second app server. The next command is sudo yum update. So instead of git, for example, if you want to install Nginx, just type sudo yum install Nginx. That's how we can install any package on Linux machine. Press Y. Again. Okay, it's done. Sudo yum install git. Press Y. It's done. Git hyphen hyphen v. I think we have to give full version. Yes, it's done. Exit. The last one. Now sudo yum update. So the Debian, Ubuntu, RHEL, CentOS, all these are called as distributions, Linux distributions. Press Y. Again Y. done. Okay, command not found. So I think we have installed only the we have done only the yum update. We have to do install git. Okay, done. It's done. So as per this, just the command changes accordingly. If it is Debian or Ubuntu, apt install git. If it is older RHEL or CentOS, sudo yum install git. If it's Fedora or Amazon Linux, sudo dnf install git. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.